All right, so I'm gonna start with my underwear. Don't look. And that's like 12 pairs along with my bikini and my bras and more underwears. And I thought maybe I would put the noisemaker in with it. That might be a good call. What do you think? That way it stays nice and safe. Okay, and then let's see what else I can put in there. Probably another jog bra. Oh, there's some underwear. Okay, I probably should roll it, but I'm not going to. Let's see if I have enough room to put something else. Yeah, I probably do. How about some soap? Not soap, but shampoo. Maybe some more shampoo. I do like the packing cube for this. You know what else I can put in? My toiletries. All right, so it's only good for this one thing. Trust me. I've tried just with like clothes and stuff. It's just such a waste. But for this, yes. I think it's good. All right, so let me zip this up real good. And then there's another zipper to compress it. We'll see if my noisemaker will compress. We'll see, I don't know. It will. Some of it will, at least. I probably will break the zipper and have to bring another one with me just in case. For the most part, I mean, it's getting there. Yeah. All right. Let's see. This last part probably will not. But that's pretty good. That's a lot of stuff, right? Okay, so we're going to hold on to this for now, and I'm going to put my pillow in first because it needs to lay flat, I think. It worked earlier, so we'll see. So, and I probably can smash it down even more, and it is smashable. So I'm just going to stick my pillow right there, away from everything else. These are supposed to be compression straps. I don't know if they work or not, but I will keep them out just in case. All right, next thing is I'm going to, I don't want to put this in yet. Maybe I will. Let's just see. Let's put it right here. All right, and then I'm going to start rolling some clothes. I mean, there's still a lot of room in here. It's kind of crazy. All right, so my jeans, my goofy jeans, they say to roll, and I think that they're right. So let me just roll this up real good. Do you think this is actually going to fit? We're going to find out, aren't we? All right, so then we have my jogging pants. And also, if you want to like comment, I mean, no negative comments, because seriously, I need some positivity in my life, if that's cool with you guys. But comment, or, you know, maybe ask me a question or something. I would love to hear from y'all. Maybe y'all are starting this journey soon or thinking about it. I'm basically just, I'm not throwing away or giving all my stuff away. I'm not selling everything. All I'm doing is kind of cutting the fat, if that makes sense, and seeing how it works. I'm not committing to anything, but I am committing to a year, which I'm super excited about. All right, so now we're getting to very, very lightweight tops. So just make sure that you roll these really good. And that way you have plenty of room. I mean, you could literally stick it right there. That's pretty cool. Actually, I'm gonna wear this. So, no, I'm not. I already put all my clothes down that I was gonna wear. So, yes, I like this mess. All right, so I'm gonna just put that right there and stuff it in there. I mean, literally, I mean, these thin shirts are absolutely perfect, and they're so lightweight. I mean, it's nothing, absolutely nothing. But yeah, like if there's any like travel hacks or tips or anything that I can do to make this work better for the trip of a lifetime, please let me know, because I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm kind of just following along with what I've seen on YouTube or read on Google. And I mean, I don't really know anybody that's, you know, actually doing what I'm doing personally. So I have no reference, nobody to talk to or bounce anything off of. I'd love to meet some of you guys. All right, so still rolling. Almost done though. Almost done. And I'm sure I'm gonna probably have to buy some stuff when I get somewhere, and that's okay, you know? And it can't be any more expensive than here in the States. It's very expensive, and I'm kind of tired of it, and that's half the reason I'm leaving. Because why be treated badly? Go somewhere where you're treated good, right? All right, so the next thing is probably going to be my shoes, which of course I'm not gross. So I'm going to put my shoes, like one shoe in a bag, because I think that one shoe in a bag each, so I can kind of move it around the way I want it. I saw that also on a YouTube video. I thought that was really smart. I would have never thought of it myself. Oh, and also I have another hack that I learned on YouTube. I mean, there's so much information on YouTube. I have 3 pairs of socks in each sneaker, which I think is awesome. It's so smart. Like, why didn't I think of that? All right, so I'm just gonna put that to the side and kind of let it kind of go where it needs to go, because it does need to go in here with some sort of sense, right? Or it doesn't get in the way of other things. Ooh, there's too much air. Okay, so that's in there. All right. And then the next thing that's bulky, it's probably going to be my flip-flops and my contact lenses. But I think the flip-flops are no big deal. I could put them on the side if I had to. So probably do the contact lenses, which is easy. I'm having plenty of room still. I got my flat iron, which we could go, well, I could put it on the side. I don't know, just whatever on top. And then I have, oh, I didn't tell you guys about this, but which everybody should probably have, is a universal outlet thing, power adapter for different countries. Very important. So got to bring that, right? Or you'll fry your curling iron or your flat iron or whatever. Okay, oh, this is just personal soap, because I, again, am neurotic about everything that I have, apparently. So I'm just gonna plop that in there somewhere. And my flip-flops. Wow, and the last but not least, my puffy jacket, which I'm gonna need that when it gets really cold. So I'm just gonna put it on top. No big deal, kind of keep everything down. I could use the straps, but I mean, what does it really do? I'm gonna try it. Let's see. I mean, I guess it keeps it down. That's kind of cool. I'm gonna make it tighter if I want to. So yeah, I guess the straps do serve some sort of purpose. Where'd the other one go? There it is. Okay, I mean, that's a lot of stuff in a suitcase. I mean, it's amazing how much can fit in these little suitcases if you just kind of know how to put puzzle pieces together. Okay, cool. So yeah, so that's a lot of stuff. And then my hat, which is also supposed to be a no-no. I don't care. I'm gonna be me. If I wanna wear a baseball cap, I'll wear a baseball cap, right? All right, so let me just see how this works. I probably should have a little room, but I don't. But I also have 2 pairs of shoes, which they say only have 1. And oh, I almost forgot. My dishwashing tabs. I know I could put it here, but there's no reason. So I'm just gonna slide that in there. There we go, now I'm ready. Okay, I'm ready to go, guys. This is actually working out really well. And then what's cool about this is like you can put a lock or a carabiner on these things because they have double zippers. I guess they're called Y zippers or XY, whatever. And then if I want to make it tighter and less noticeable, I'll just zip that up. And this is so cool because now I can still put a pair of sunglasses in here or whatever I want. And then of course I have room in here. I have nothing in there either. So this is pretty cool. The next thing, I mean, this should fit just fine, shouldn't it, right? We'll see. Let's just have a little look-see. Okay, so we have the iPad, goes in the slot. Laptop, easy, cheesy, right? Am I being cheesy? I wonder if I could fit my wallet. I could just put my wallet in here. Wow. No, I can't do that because I have to go through airport security. That would be weird. So I'm just gonna go ahead and zip that up. I mean, wow. I mean, a lot of stuff fits in these little bags, more so than I thought. I heard that the airlines were going to get a little bit harder on people about all the carry-ons because they want to make money off of us. Anyway, okay, back to what I was talking about. Wallet at the very bottom so no one can touch it. I'm going to wear the fanny pack. The crossbody bag is going to have to go in here too, I think. That can go in there somewhere. Headphones, I want to get to these, so I'm just going to put these out here. Let's see, I got to get to this, right? The liquids. The raincoat, I don't really care about, so I'll just stuff that in there real good. First aid kit, I don't need that right away, right? Power bank, you know, I could just stick this in here, couldn't I? You know, whatever. Makeup, I'm probably not going to care so much about, but I'll put it kind of close to the middle. And boy, this is boring, isn't it? I feel like I'm so boring. Sounds boring to me. Okay, so wires need to go closer to the top so I can get to them, plus the power bank. And the other headphones, just in case the ones I have, the big ones, do not work for some strange reason because I have got to watch something on, you know, my iPad when I'm traveling. Okay, so liquids need to go to the top so I can pull them out pretty easily. Actually, I should probably put them in the front so I can get to them, right? And since my passport is going to go inside my fanny pack, I'm just going to stick it in here right now because this is not going in my backpack. And this thing can actually hold like all kinds of stuff, like your international driver's license or your paperwork or your credit cards or your vaccine cards, whatever. It's pretty cool. All right, now the sunglasses thing is going to be a something. So I'm going to put one of my sunglasses in here if I can fit one, because this is supposed to be for the sunglasses. I guess this will fit. Maybe I'll try that after I zip this up. I'm learning, you guys, the same way you're learning, right? Or I think you're learning, or maybe y'all are just watching this hot mess happen. GoPro goes in here too. I'm gonna zip this up for now so I can see what the deal is. Oh, there's my water bottle. Water bottle, that would go on the side. Duh. All right, so let's try this again. Now, this should fit, yes. The most important glasses go right here. And then I have these other 3 pairs that I'm gonna have to put somewhere. I can either put them in my suitcase. I bet I could fit 2 pairs of them in my suitcase, or I could, nope, can't put them in there. Uh-oh, I'm in trouble. Did I do something wrong? Okay, so I guess I'll just stick one right here. And then I don't want them to all fall out though. That would be weird. So maybe put one here and then one here. And then I will put the other one in my, yeah, that works. Okay, I'll put this in my suitcase. Whew, that was a lot of work. Now, I don't know how you YouTubers do it. I think I need to weigh this. Okay, I have to find the weigher. All right, let's just see, have a little look-see and see if this is even gonna work, right? I'm scared. Probably should put it on its side. Now I could take the water bottle out and the headphones and put it around my neck or something. That's like 14 pounds. That's basically 14 pounds. I think that they don't weigh your personal item though. I don't think they do. So I think it should be okay, but I don't know if I can carry 14 pounds. Uh-oh. See what it's like without this. 13 point something, a little bit better. I don't know yet. We'll see. I mean, I'm learning, just like you guys, I'm sure, are learning too, if y'all are new to all this horse, I would say that bad word, but I'm not going to. Okay, this one's heavy too, but it's not as heavy as I thought it was going to be. So let's just see what we got. What am I working with? Because sometimes they check on those discount airlines. I'm gonna come around here and look. 22, huh? That could be a problem too. So how do I make this lighter? This is upsetting. I don't know. Most airlines would be okay, but I think some won't. So I think it has to be like 18 pounds, but I'm not sure. Anyway, leave a comment, let me know, subscribe. I mean, that would be awesome. If y'all subscribe, that would be super cool because then you get the next really, really bad video that I do. So anyway, I guess I'm gonna get off this thing. Been on here entirely too long and my mouth is dry. So yeah, have a great day and I'll see you next time.